buy a copy of the Source Code Goldmine version 11, a new product released by Jeremy Burns just a short while ago, you're going to get master resale rights to 10 fantastic quality info products. What that means, in other words, is that you can take any or all of those 10 products and sell them as though they were your own. So you can put your own name on them, you can redesign them, you can edit them, you can package them how you want, and you can sell them as you will. And you're going to get the revenues from that. That's what you're buying the rights to do when you get master resale rights. So once you've bought that product, here's how you can get something extra. If you buy the product, the Source Code Goldmine version 11, through Paul Smithson's affiliate link, you're going to get 10, count them, 10 individual sales page website designs that you can use to actually sell those products. So these are websites you can publish that are going to make it really easy to actually retail or sell those 10 info products that you get the master resale rights to. There is no faster way to generate a sales page from which you can sell these products than the way I'm going to show you right now. You have to buy the product though through Paul Smithson's affiliate link to qualify for this bonus, these 10 X-Site Pro websites. Here's how it works. I'm in X-Site Pro right now and I've created a project, as you can see, that's empty. It's called Source Code Goldmine Demo. Now I'm going to import one of the 10 XSEs, one of the 10 websites that we're going to give you when you buy through Paul's link. I'm going to go with this website auction marketplace XSE. And as always, when X-Site Pro imports a website, it gives us a little snapshot there of it before bringing in all of the content, the web pages, the images, the lot. And you'll see as it finishes the import there that the website appears over here on the left-hand side, which is fine. Now, I'm going to go in and edit the website very quickly just to show you how you can customize it before then going on to publish it and leaving myself with a fully functional sales page retailing this particular product, one of the 10 products that you'll get master resale rights to. This one is, of course, Website Auction Marketplace. So here we are at the website information tab. You can see we've already given the site a title and we've specified some relevant keywords. If I hop over to the page layout tab, you'll see we've even done all of the design work for you, so nothing to do there either. If I hop through to the web pages tab, we've even created, as you can see, the web pages for you. Not only that, but we've given them a suitable page title featuring the primary keyword phrase, which is the product name, Website Auction Marketplace. We've given a keyword list there with some LSI keywords. We've even written a description for you featuring the primary keyword phrase too. So we've done 99% of the work for you so far. Now let's take a look at the design tab. Now we can see the actual web page copy now, the content making up that sales page. Okay, so here it is. And as you scroll down, you can see within the WYSIWYG editor, you can of course edit this text. There are some bits that you'll definitely want to, where you can see sort of placeholders for your first name and your last name to personalize the sales page. Scrolling down, sections of content, product visualizations, really high quality graphics, some great compelling headlines. This is professionally written copy here. You can see there's a space for some testimonials, so get a friend of yours to review the product and give you a testimonial that you could use potentially. Bulleted lists, this is sort of covering off all of the sales objections, the features, the benefits. There are some fast action bonuses which are fulfilled on the download page. I'll get to that in a minute. You don't need to worry about what those are or how they work. That's all done for you. So scrolling down, a guarantee, and of course the call to action featuring a great graphic here, an add to cart graphic, which is really eye-catching. So, and just a bit further on, more testimonials and a lovely looking footer. So you can very quickly, with minimal inconvenience, with minimal time investment, tweak the copy just to add a couple of little bits and pieces here and there. Literally take you only 2 or 3 minutes. And the final thing that you need to do on the sales page is, of course, link through to your order process, your merchant account. Now, you obviously want to be able to fulfill the sale. And although X-Site Pro hasn't sort of we haven't set that up for you within the template, I'm going to show you how easy it is to do with X-Site Pro. So you could, if you wanted to, just right click and create a link to, let's say, one shopping cart, if that's what you use. You could insert an eJunkie script. You could link through to any of a number of different payment platforms, so Zencart, whatever it is you want to use, you could just use very quickly by right-clicking and inserting a link through to your order form. However, I'm going to just quickly get rid of that particular graphic and instead insert a PayPal Buy Now button, as you can see I'm doing right here on the right-click menu. Now, what I'm going to do, just get rid of these couple of other products that are already in the list just to keep things simple. When you first load this module, you'll see it'll be empty like this. There'll be no products listed. All I'm going to do is click the Add New Product link, the button at the bottom of the screen there, and I'm going to specify a PayPal account name. Now, of course, this has to be your PayPal account name, not any account name. All right. So this is going to be the PayPal account email address that corresponds with your PayPal account. I'm going to click next, and I'm going to give the product a name, which is of course Website Auction Marketplace in this demonstration right now. Oops, spelled that wrong. I can give it a product reference number. Let's call it a WAMW1 just as a demonstration, and the product price, which is $29.95, I believe. Incidentally, if you want more information on using this PayPal tool, you can get information on that at excitePro.com/PayPal-tutorial.html. So I'm going to whiz through this fairly quickly, but if you want more detail, you can get it. On step 3, we can choose a success page and a failure page. Thankfully, those are already created for us. Those 2 other pages that you saw in the web pages list are a success page and a failure page. We'll look at both of those in just a moment. So click next, and then we can choose an image. Now I'm going to choose a custom image from the clipart library. You could obviously choose an image from your hard drive if you wanted, but obviously Excite Pro comes bundled with lots and lots of great looking graphics. You can see there are literally, dozens and dozens of folders packed full of probably thousands of buttons that you could use. I'm just going to go ahead with this one here. It looks quite nice, and click next, then finish. And there's our product created, our PayPal product. I'm going to check the checkbox and insert the buy button, and there it is. Okay, so that's my PayPal button inserted. We see a placeholder in the window here, but when we publish it, we'll see that nice button that we saw a moment ago. Okay, very quickly, I've copied this this PayPal button, and I'm going to shoot over to the one of these pages here, the problem with your order page. Now, this is the failure page that we just specified when we created our PayPal product. What's a failure page? Well, it's somewhere where somebody's taken if there's a problem with their order. And as you can see, we've designed the page for you, so nothing to do. We're sorry a problem's occurred, please retry your order. And then there's a repeat of that call to action. Now I'm just going to get rid of the graphic again and just paste that PayPal device in there. So this effectively is redirecting them back into the sales funnel. Okay, so if there's a problem, it's saying try again and giving them a link to actually try to purchase again. Nice and simple. The other page, just for your information, the thank you for your order page, this is the page to which they're taken on successfully completing the purchase. Again, all designed for you, nice and ready. Here's the product visualization, a spot for you to put your support email address in. Even the download link to the actual product itself. This is if they click this link when they've purchased successfully, this is going to download the actual product. The product's included within this website. So you've really got virtually nothing to do to create this website and then publish it. You can see there's details about the fast action bonuses that were alluded to on the sales page. The whole lot's there, and this will fulfill the sale for them perfectly. So the whole website in a box, ready to publish. All we need to do at this stage is head over to the Publishing tab and enter our publishing details. Now, those of you using 2.5, version 2.5 or above of Excite Pro will see a message like this when you hit the blank Publishing Details tab that's asking us, do you want Excite Pro, do you want to use Excite Pro to register a domain account and set up some hosting? Now we're going to go ahead and say yes, please, just to demonstrate how you can go ahead and publish a website, get the whole thing set up. Let's do a search for something that features this keyword phrase just here. How about Website Auction Marketplace? We'll click go to search for suitable domains, and sure enough, the .com version of this domain is available. So I'm just going to leave that checked and hit next. I'm going to choose a nice inexpensive hosting plan. And all we're going to do here is just log into our account. Obviously, if we don't have an account with this hosting provider, part of Excite Pro here, you could go ahead and click the Create Account button. But I've already created an account before now, so I'm just going to log in with those details. Oop. And clicking Login takes me to a confirmation screen. And we can just go ahead and click Next, having confirmed that those details are correct. I'm going to choose to register the domain for 1 year, and I'll pay monthly rather than quarterly, biannually, or annually. Click Next. And finally, we just need to enter the credit card details to actually make the purchase. So I'm going to blur this bit out for obvious reasons on this video. And I'll just go ahead and pop some card details in there. And very shortly, we should be able to actually make that purchase go through. I'll use the billing address that we set up when we registered the account, and I'm going to finally click the order button. Now X-Site Pro is going to go off, it's going to register that domain name for me, it's going to set up the hosting account, marry the two together, and it's also then, once it confirms that that's happened successfully, it'll then drop the details helpfully into the publishing tab for me. All done automatically with minimal fuss and bother, as you just saw there. So there's my successful order that's gone through, and if I wait 1 second, there we go. There's the publishing details all set for me. So the last thing, of course, that I need to do is just go ahead and publish the website by clicking the publish button there. And X-Site Pro is going to gather together all of the resources, the files, the website pages, the web pages, the images, the product itself. Remember, the download page that we saw actually featured a link to the product, which is actually included in the website. So really it is taking the whole lot, gathering it together, and it's going to upload it to our hosting account, which didn't exist until a moment ago. As you can see, because this is the first time it's publishing all 56 files that make up the website. And rather than make you sit here and watch all of those files upload, I'll just pause the video right now and resume as we get to the end of that upload process. So we're just coming to the end of the process here. And there we go. The site is now published. And if I click open website, we can see here we have our live website right now, and complete with all those great graphics, looking fantastic. There we go. It looks absolutely great, as you can see, and took us less than 13 minutes start to finish with me explaining pieces along the way, less than 13 minutes to actually get a site that is up and published and that we could use to actually sell products from. So clicking the add to cart link, there's our PayPal buy now button. You'll see takes the visitor through to PayPal, ready to accept payment for that product. There we have the details, the website auction marketplace product, $29.95, all set up, ready to actually take my money. Okay, so the whole process, very simple. If I just call open another browser here and just show you, here's the site we were looking at just there, but here's a quick snapshot at some of the other of the sales pages that you're going to get access to. So some fabulous looking standalone sales pages that will allow you to sell those 10 info products for which you'll get master resale rights when you purchase the brand new source code Goldmine version 11 product through Paul's affiliate link. Buy it through Paul's affiliate link and you're going to get these amazing standalone website templates that are going to get you up and running so quickly. Remember, what was it, about 13 minutes or so end to end to create a website? Well, you're talking basically to get 10 product sites up and selling, you're looking at just a little over 2 hours. So less than one morning's work to get out there, get all of these sites up and published, selling products, 10 different sites selling 10 different products in less than a morning's work. You'd still have time at the end of your publishing cycle there to go grab yourself a coffee, safe in the knowledge that you've got 10 more lines in the water, 10 more revenue streams potentially working for you. So powerful stuff, exciting stuff. Do grab a copy of this amazing product, grab it through Paul Smithson's affiliate link, and enjoy it. We wish you every success using it. And don't forget, if you want more information on that PayPal tool that I demonstrated there, you can go to xsitepro.com/PayPal tutorial.html. Hopefully you've enjoyed this short video presentation and you've seen the potential that you have using Source Code Goldmine version 11 in conjunction with the bonus sales page templates that you get if you order through the link on your screen right now. The link that you need to go to, the address you need to go to is www.xsitepro.com/scgm.html. The SCGM stands for Source Code Goldmine, so scgm.html, and that will take you to the Source Code Goldmine sales page through which you can then order the product and you'll qualify for the bonus templates. The link at the bottom of your screen right now is where you can go if you want to watch more video tutorials about what X-Site Pro can do. We have a whole stack of tutorials there ready for you to watch if you want. So xsitepro.com/tutorials.html if you want more information on what X-Site Pro can do. Thanks for watching and take care.